Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GNUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green line annotations here are coming from. And after today, unfortunately, the bears just continue to press further and further down. And after some nice bullish attributes from previous days, including Wednesday's video, where at least there was that higher base that had put into play, the higher low, that's been totally wiped away, and now it is a matter of much lower lows, which, is just not any sign of bullishness. So updates, like I said, need to be done. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line right there. And yeah, that level pertains. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So if you watched the previous videos, you know that I talked about that level right there as as support. But I mean, as soon as the price fell back below there, you could throw this right into a textbook because the price tried to get back above there, rejected. A great example of support now acting as resistance. And then once again in the afternoon, great example of that support now acting as resistance. So continue to watch that level very, very closely. Now, in the event the price can actually push through that area, then you'd want to turn your focus to that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average, which is currently at $1.67. But those will be the two main areas of resistance. And then as far as supports, nothing fancy, nothing complicated at all. It's really just a question of, well, where did the bleeding essentially stop today? And that was down there at $1.54. Now, I realize the price did spike a little bit below there. But for the most part, $1.54 seems to be more so that accurate area to watch going forward. And like I said, nothing complicated behind that at all, other than the fact that that's just simply where the bulls, gathered up enough strength to fight off the bears and, just prevented the price from falling any lower. So all in all, though, the bears seem to be back in full control, but we'll see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.